equitystrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Tuesday, February 4th. Coming up today at 9:30 GMT, we have construction PMI coming out from the United Kingdom. Then at 3 o'clock, we have United States factory orders. Then at 9:45 in the evening, we have unemployment data coming out from New Zealand, which could have an impact on the New Zealand dollar. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 dropped significantly yesterday. This is the largest drop it had since July of last year. This pessimism continued through the Asian markets with significant drops across the board in Asia. The Chinese markets were closed early today due to a holiday. Going into futures, futures for the FTSE 100 before the start of the year of the London session are down by 0.7%, so we could be expecting this trend to continue on the downside. Also, S&P 500 futures are at the moment up by just over 0.2%. However, that has been common for this entire move that futures are up before the trading starts, and then during the day the market moves further down. Going over to the euro appreciated slightly yesterday and continued that move. It's trading just below resistance at 135.35. After that, we have our next resistance at 135.80. In a note to clients yesterday, Morgan Stanley said that they expect the euro to move to the downside in the long term, and they recommended clients to sell the market, to go short on the market if it were to move below 135 again. Moving over to the pound also continued to move downwards. This is mostly, we have increased dollar strength here. We have support at 162.50 and then resistance at 163.20. The yen also appreciated again against the dollar, which pushed this pair further down. As we get closer to 100, we expect to get stronger support here. We have support. Our next level support is at 130, and it's trading right now just below resistance at 101.30. There could be a pullback, and it could go to its next level of resistance at 102.30. And finally, we have gold. Gold yesterday bounced off of support here at 1,240. With investors pulling out of riskier assets and a reduction in investment in emerging markets, we could still see gold moving on the upside now. We have our next level resistance at 1,272. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.